That's just... What's going on, guys? Today's Thursday, off for work today, well, for the week. I'm doing upper control arms. Got some True Heart upper control arms going to be installing with Julio. Yo, you think I'll be able to adjust it somewhere where I could drive it? Just to see if the noise goes away.
Bro, once you put it on, it's...
Alright, Julio's here. I'm about to take this off, and then I gotta get a wheel alignment anyways. Damn, this camera's fucked up, bro. Look, look, if I go this way, oh, you can see me. But yeah. Take this bitch off, then you can't even see it. Okay. Like I don't have a hammer, so it's like, you know, Minecraft.
No.
I'd be using this shit.
Put the boot back on.
For what?
Back that shit.
Exactly. Wow, this shit's been here since 1998. Two layers of paint. This blue, navy blue, and silver.
Chip the paint, dude. Paint over.
How much? You must have paid for this paint engine bay? Like not even, what, like $40? But I paid like 40, right? We got like 3 cans of like blue.
Mood.
2 primers and clear. So,
just tap it again.
we got the job done right here. That's it. Or just get like a little, you know, like the toothpicks. You get a toothpick. Dip it in and just tap it. So. And that's the good one too.
Bruh.
Nah, but that one's good though. Look at the bushes. Not
Bruh.
bad.
It's about time, my nigga. Bruh.
Bro, bushing is still good. Not even
What are you
moving it from
doing,
98.
man?
Let's try to.
Yo, it took this man about like 10 years just to finally upgrade.
Nah, you know what they say? If it's not broken, don't fix it. Nah, that's kind of like the stock spot though.
Bro, you're not gonna get it even. It's gonna have.
Oh no, nigga. I just want to be able to. I just want to be able to drive it a little bit to see it.
You will. It's just gonna be off a little bit.
Yeah, I'm going fuck.
Oh, I wasn't even.
Well, you can curse. You just can't curse a lot. Let me push it back a little. Yeah, that looks like stock right there, kinda. Oh, but it's gonna push my wheel in regardless because this is shorter.
Yeah.
It looks like it's shorter. Yo, True Heart. Sponsor you, boy. Nah. Everything looks good.
That's the next thing we need upgrading.
What?
How do you zoom in?
Suspension?
How do you zoom in? Yes.
Yeah, yes. We gotta go. All this is gonna go. I gotta change the whole car. Gotta get changed around. Can you put a bolt up top?
No. Where you put them?
Oh, okay.
Ready?
I can't see the drive. It's good. It's starting in.
Yeah. Should be.
Yeah.
And my hand turned blue. Must be.
Back one should be good.
I found the hole, everybody.
Went in?
Without looking.
You still can't get a good present though. Went in?
I'm just showing everybody your fancy new stuff that you got here.
Old suspension. You know I'm gonna change the sky.
Oh man.
Yeah, I'm about to be here for like 3 years. Oh, you know what comes in the clutch right now? It fits. Yo, I keep forgetting that the drum. I've got this, right? And I haven't charged it once.
That shit sound dead.
Is it the right way?
Bro, you pop.
Always. Alright, put the front ones on. The alignment looks, I mean, I guess okay. I'll drive it to see what it does. I put that one on and forgot to tie in the little camber plate, if you want to call it. Hold on. Forgot to tie in those down there, but I'm about to do this one right now. Yo, just go home, I cannot work with you right now.
So you trying to blame me for your stupidity that's going on?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying.
That's crazy.
I'm serious about the bus though. I'm about to get a hero. No? Good? Oh, I see. Hold on. Alright, got it in. We're just tying in the top. Gonna tie in the ball joint and then put the battery back on and we should be good and get some food. We are starving. We getting sandwiches, right? Sandwiches. Should be done in like 5 minutes. Alright, so I'm done. I'm gonna take it real quick for a little drive just to see how bad she drives. So I just want to make sure I'm good with everything. No more noise, which they shouldn't be. I'm gonna get some sandwiches with Julio, and then Julio wants to go get a controller and mic for his Xbox. But yeah, but I've been off for work, so I'm off until Tuesday. I'm off until Tuesday, and it's Thursday. I've just been hanging out at home or whatever, so. But yeah, I mean, this position of the ball joint look like it's in a stock position, so maybe it's not bad. I mean, from right now driving it, car's actually going straight, from what it looks like. But it's on that side. I'm gonna go on this side because it's on that side. Do it again. The back one is loose. Oh guys, it's not my upper control arm. Well, my upper control arm was messed up, so I changed it. Car feels good. Car actually drives straight, so I could actually still be able to drive the car while I wait to do a wheel alignment. But it's my motor mount. My back one is shot. So if I got a cheap mount. The thing is, I don't really want to buy a mount right now because when I buy my Hasbro mounts, I want them to be brand new. And Hasbro told me to hit them up. They contacted me a while ago, and they told me to contact them whenever I go to purchase my mounts. But I don't want to buy them now and put them on. So I think I'm actually gonna just wait in general to buy the mounts. I mean, it rocks a little bit, nothing too crazy. You know, I can still drive the car. Yeah, but this video is just gonna be together with the video of Julio doing like test passes and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, put my cars inside. What's going on, guys? Just closing out the video right now. I just want to tell you guys, thank you guys again for watching. it was a pretty chill day and vlog. Julio did some test passes. This is before the race. The next video is going to be the race. I've been putting them out little by little because I didn't want to, you know, put out all my footage at once because I wasn't able to vlog this week. I might be able to vlog tonight because it's Julio's birthday, so we might go on like a little cruise. But the next vlog definitely is the race that we did. So just wanted to close out the video. Tell you guys, thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload, and look out for the next video. Close out this video. Go to enjoy. Peace out.